Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to thread your own eyebrows at home. All you're going to need is a medium length piece of sewing thread and some scissors to cut the thread. Once you cut the piece of thread, you're going to tie the ends of the thread together into a knot. Here, I'm cutting the two ends of the thread that are coming out of the knot so that they don't get in the way. Now you should have one circle of thread. Next, you're going to grab the two ends of the circle and wind your hands in a circular motion until the middle of the thread begins to wrap around itself. Now, in the middle of the thread, you should have a little line of wrapped thread. The eyebrow hair will be removed as this line of thread slides across the eyebrow hair. To move the thread, I'm putting two fingers in each loop and opening and closing my fingers so that the inner line of thread moves forward and backward. And now all you have to do is locate the hairs you want to remove and slide the thread across them. And guys, if this is your first time trying this technique, it can be especially hard to get a hang of the hand motion. But once you get the hand motion down, it starts to get a lot easier. Also, if you've ever gone to have your eyebrows threaded by a professional, you would already know that it can get pretty painful and your eyes might even start watering. So be prepared for some pain, but the pain is pretty similar to the pain of eyebrow tweezing. And this is the final result. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to like this video if you found it helpful. Also, let me know down in the comments if you've ever tried eyebrow threading at home. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.